What's the meaning of armpit? Armpit. Armpit.
Armpit. Armpit. The armpit is a part of the body located beneath the joint where the arm connects to the shoulder. It is also known as the axilla and is home to a variety of important structures, including lymph nodes, nerves, and blood vessels. The armpit is a common site for sweating and body odor due to the presence of sweat glands. It can also be a sensitive area for some individuals due to the presence of hair follicles and nerve endings. Maintaining good hygiene practices in the armpit area is important for overall health and well-being.